how to use the heart rate monitor on your AirPods Pro 3. So this is a new feature that allows you to monitor your heart rate using your AirPods. So the first thing we need to do is go and connect our AirPods to our iPhone. You can do that just by opening the AirPods case next to your phone. You'll see a pop-up notification and you can go through the steps to connect your AirPods. Now once they're connected, we need to place both of the AirPods into our ears and then you can go and load up the settings on your phone. Now at the top of this page, you should be able to see your AirPods from the list, and you can go and click on them from here. Now, if you can't see your AirPods from the list of settings, you can also click on Bluetooth, and you can click on the information button next to your AirPods, and that will also bring up your AirPod settings. Now, once you're on the settings page, we can scroll all the way down, and underneath privacy, you'll see the option for heart rate. Now make sure this is turned on and enabled, and this will allow us to monitor our heart rate using the AirPods. So if you close out of this window, you can use the search box on your phone to type in health, and then just open up the health app. You could then click on the search box at the bottom of the page. You could then search for the word heart, and you should be able to see the heart rate from the list. Go and click on it. Now make sure both of your AirPods are placed into your ears, and once you've done that, it should give you a live reading on your heart rate. So where it says latest, this is your latest heart rate reading. So basically the AirPods themselves have small sensors on the side of the AirPods, and this can be used to measure your heart rate. So as long as your AirPods are placed into your ears, it will go and populate all of your heart rate results in this graph here. So you can basically filter this to hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and also yearly as well. And then you can see the fluctuation in your heart rate data. You can also use this feature on other heart rate monitoring apps as well. So if you scroll down, you can see some other heart rate apps you can go and use this feature with. And that's basically how to use the heart rate monitor on your AirPods Pro 3.